Hi, I'm Brittany of WTI, and it's so important to stay hydrated.
And this BBAIYULE running vest setup really set me up to do that. My husband and I love to be active, and this was just such a great backpack. It's so lightweight and breathable. You can see with the mesh. We also do a lot of physical work to support ourselves. So just having this backpack to be able to easily clip it in the front, it's not too heavy. You can have these straps to adjust it to fit perfectly to your body type. And it has so many awesome little pockets, some that zip, some that have the elastic to close it tight. You can use this to put a glass cleaner if you wear glasses. You can store extra food like a protein bar. If you're someone like me who needs chapstick or cough drops when you're out being active. It's also got this main pocket and straps that you can put the hydration pouch in. It comes with one hydration bladder, which is so convenient. It's got an easy pull, turn it off switch setup. And it also comes with these 2 water bottles that you can put in those pockets that are also in these straps, which really gives us the extra hydration that we needed, whether we are going on hikes or we're working on our jobs. We don't need to stop or carry a water bottle with us because it's right there strapped to our back.
This is so lightweight and convenient and made staying hydrated so easy. And that's my point of view.